Hey friends, my name is Christian. I'm your Sunny trainer today. We're here for a 15-minute cycle. Excited to have some hills, some pushes, some intervals. Just make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get this party started. All right, friends, let's get this thing started. You're gonna add about 4 turns to your wheel. Make sure we're nice and supported to get started on our road here. So right foot leads. Find that downbeat, striking heel to toe. We're gonna start seated here. So drop the shoulders. We're gonna take a few rolls backwards, at least 3. We're gonna take it 3 forwards. So switch directions. Shake out some of the stress of the day. All right, team. Hands come to first here. Corners. We're gonna add at least 1 turn onto the wheel here. In 3, 2, and 1. Reach on down, add a turn. So really sinking, take your core, and we're gonna brace it. Belly button pulls in nice and tight towards your spine. We're along our path, our journey here. So set your intention maybe for today. If you have not yet, what is one thing you'd like to focus on? You'd like to get a little bit stronger with? Is it your mental state? Maybe it's physical. We have lots of time here, team. So add 1 more turn. We're gonna take it up and out of the saddle. Little jog here in 3, in 2, in 1. Pop on up. So right foot strikes, hips are back, head is high. Maybe we dance it a little bit. So focus on your breath just a bit here. Really taking a full inhale. You exhale as you strike here, team. So at least 10 more seconds. We're gonna take a seat. You're gonna add 1 more turn to your wheel. 3, 2, 1. Take a seat. Turn goes right on the wheel here. Hands go back to the corners. Set the booty back just a little bit on the saddle. Heel to toe. Use the full foot. Really driving into the ground here. Woo. Warming things up. So we're gonna head up and out of the saddle 1 more time. So visualize it, tell yourself, I've got this. We pop on up and out, 3, 2, 1. Hop on up, reaching to third, little bend in the elbows, booty back. Y'all look so great. Vibing, having a good time in your space, your strength. We're gonna sit. We're gonna take 2 turns off the wheel in 3, in 2, and in 1. Take a seat. Take 2 turns off. We're gonna switch the feet over. You're going to take at least 2 turns off of the wheel. If you have not, hands come to the corners. We pick up speed just a little bit here. So core stays tight, booty slides back. We're gonna add a little tricep press here. Elbows drop in 3, 2, 1. So little press, squeeze, lift. Chin off the chest, core tight, yes. Feel the triceps. With each release, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift. 3 more, 2, last 1, drop, hold it here, team. All I ask is to add 1 turn to the wheel in 3, 2, 1. 1 turn, it goes on. Feel the difference, push and pull. Slide the booty back if it starts to slip forward just a bit. I don't know why, mine always does. But adjust. So speed locked in, heel to toe, shoulders pull away from the ears, triceps come back into play in 3, drop your elbows 2, and in 1, drop, lift, squeezing. We're gonna mix it up just a little bit here. You're gonna take it right then left in 3, 2, 1, squeeze right, squeeze left, feel each side. Now, in your center, you should feel your obliques on the right and left start to fire up. As you drop the elbow, lean into it. Last 3, last 2, last 1 here. Even things out, hold. Woo. We're working, team. You're gonna add 2 more turns here in 3, 2, 1. So slow things down. We're gonna pop on up and out. So 2 turns go in the wheel. Same foot's going to lead. So you're on the left, it strikes first. We're gonna hit the other leg on the opposite side. So nice and supported. We're gonna take the hands up and out. You've got 5 seconds here. Reach in 3, 2, 1. Pop on up. Striking here with the left first. Little vibe. Even pedal strokes, team. Hips float, booty back. So settling into this. Maybe you close the eyes. Definitely in that space for myself today. So feeling the beat, settling in. We're gonna travel back for 4 counts. We're gonna bring the booty back up for 4 counts here. So first round comes in 5 seconds. Make that decision. Maybe it's a little half turn on the wheel. Yes, you can. In 3, 2, 1. Back for 4, 3, 2, 1. You come right back up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Back 4. And you're up. Hold it here, team. Woo. Little sweat. Feel it drip. You're getting stronger. How freaking cool. So if you added that little half turn, we take it off. Stay up here. 3, 2, 1. Little half turn comes off. Booty goes back just an inch. Form is key here. Breathe. Slow it down. So same travel. This time we take it 2 counts back. You bring it back up for 2 counts here, team. 3. You've got 2. You've got 1. Back for 2. Up for 2. Ooh. Send the booty right back behind you. Make it quick, make it tight. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold it here. So we're adding what we've done already here. Just a little tricep press. You added in elbows drop. 3, 2, 1. Little press. Squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. You've got about a minute left here. All we're doing is trying to max this out. So add as many turns as you can. First one comes, 5 seconds. Make it even just a half. 3, 2, 1. Add a little turn, hold. Maybe the head drops. You've got about 10 more seconds here. We add that second little half turn, heavy hill in 3, 2, 1. Add it on here, squeeze the glutes, send the booty back Just a bit. Last push. Little turn. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here, team. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a seat. So start to loosen the wheel. We're gonna run down the other side. Woo. So I'm gonna start by zeroing out that resistance. We'll build it back up from 0 here, team. So switching over, take it on the right foot, twisting, at least 3 turns, come on. Catching the tempo. We're gonna start seated here for this. So you have jumps. They're gonna pop up for a certain count. You will then sit for the same count, team. So just for good measure, good luck, add 1 more turn on the wheel. Why not? You can always take it off if it's too much. Get uncomfortable, that is where you grow. First jump, 8 counts, up and out. 3, 2, 1, up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 8. Same count. Sit 8. All right, team, we cut this in half. It becomes 4. 3, 2, 1. Up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop 4, 3, 2, 1. Up 4. Yes, you can. Drop 4. Last one. Up 4. Sit 4. Hold it here. So we're gonna stay seated, but add 1 turn on the wheel. Don't think about it. Don't do it. Team, you'll find a reason why you can't, why you're not strong enough, why it's not today. Make the bold choice. Once you get there, you'll figure it out. Promise you. Last 10 seconds here. Push. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Woo! Maybe a little water. Take a second, hydrate. I know I need it. So, you're gonna take 2 turns off the wheel. We're gonna finish with a little jog. You're gonna hop up and out. Take this first on the left side. So 2 turns coming off. Booty rises up and out. Hips are back. Head is high. Yes. So really make sure driving through the heels. A little faster here. So we're gonna add a little choreo. All we're doing is swaying left, then right in 3, 2, 1. Left, right. Squeezing the obliques, squeezing the triceps. Core is tight, booty back. Last 3. Last 2. Woo. Last 1. Hold it here. Up for 10 seconds. You drop, you take a seat. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop, hold it here. Try to keep the legs moving. If you know in your heart you can add 1 more turn, you add it on the wheel. Don't think about it, just do. You're bold. Make the decision here, team. You've got 1 more run. Up and out. We take it to 3rd. You've got 3. Breathe. 2. 1. Reach the hands up. Run it. Hips back, head high. Yes. Let the sweat drip. I know I am, y'all. Woo. All right, team. So the sway comes back. You're about 20 seconds away from it. So take 1 breath, drop the shoulders away from the ears. You're gonna start left first. Then we take it right in 3, 2, 1. Left, right. Squeezing each side. Yeah. Maybe you dance a little bit. I know I am. Last 3. Last 2. Last one, hold it up. All right, we're gonna add one half turn. Yes, you can. We push, 3, 2, 1. Add the turn. Keep it going, running towards your finish line. Got 10 seconds left. Drop down in the saddle. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit, let it go. Great work today, y'all. If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach cycle, strength, and core, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.